Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid sparks. Once done, remove the A-pillar trim using a trim pry and soft strokes to avoid breaking clips. Make sure to set fasteners aside in order. Next, expose the wiring channel where the pillar tap will be placed. You want a clear path from firewall grommet up the pillar. This early access prevents pinching and makes the rest of the job quicker and safer. Now install your tap. Use a fuse tap for a fused connection or solder and heat shrink for a permanent splice. That preserves circuit protection. Once done, route the new wire along the factory wiring harness using existing clips and clips you reinstall. This reduces noise and wear. Make sure to secure the wire every 3-4 inches with zip ties and maintain about 1/2 inch clearance from hinges and trim. This careful routing prevents chafing and future electrical faults. For final steps, reconnect the battery and test the added accessory plus the original circuits to confirm no unintended changes. Once verified, reinstall the A-pillar trim, making sure clips seat fully and the wire isn't pinched behind panels. If something goes wrong, start with the fuse. Inspect and replace if blown. Then check continuity through the tap, confirm a solid ground, and reflow or redo any suspect splices. One key troubleshooting tip: a multimeter will reveal voltage loss points quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.